Hey, hello guys, little thing to share with you. As Jay told that when you are focusing on the biggest goal of your life, then other things that stop for you, that will suddenly start to manifest, and you will see that the smoothness, that creaminess in your life. So this is what happened yesterday, and of course today also. I must say, appreciate my today also. Okay, so the thing is that I joined one public sector, one printing house on 2018, and actually they, as per advertisement, they told us that we'll be confirmed, we will get the confirm letter within 2 years. But due to COVID, they showed that reason that due to COVID we can't do that right now, but we are making you contractual. And I was still working, and honestly, to be honest, after joining the J's course, I completely stopped thinking about it and much bigger to think, and there are lots of things that I want to achieve in my life. This job is, of course, I'm grateful whatever right now I have, but I was focusing on something new. And Jay always told, whenever you are feeling, Jay always told that try to think bigger than right now. So this is what I was doing, and suddenly yesterday our union leader suddenly came, and I am the person who will never appear any kind of office function, office meeting, and I just kept myself completely isolated, because even joining Jay's course, I don't know, like, you can say it's divinely guided. I make completely myself isolated. So suddenly he came to me and he take my name Joyshri. um, Actually, we have a good news for you, and you are going to get the confirmation letter tomorrow. It was like, okay. For a while I was completely out of mind, out of sight. I was thinking, what is happening? And suddenly I just jump out, because not because I got the confirmation letter, but for the reason that I am vibrating in a right frequency, like I am in the right track. This is the power moment for me. Like, it's achievement for me, because I had lots of hurdle. I was facing very hard time, but still I just keep myself focusing, like, okay, I can do it no matter what. Jay told it's possible, that means it's possible somehow. So suddenly it's like the there is like one thing that, like, suddenly one door open and you are seeing lots of glittering thing coming towards you, that is happiness, and it's hit you very hard and you become so happy. The same thing happened for me. Suddenly every single thing started to change. Like, those people who are from management, they not even prefer me, because I am the person, I am very much like introvert person. I not speak much, I not go to anywhere, so they don't prefer me. They also started to, hey, hey, congratulations, we are so happy for you, we are so happy for you, and this kind of, I, I every single moment I was telling, okay, fine, thank you universe, and it just multiplied, the happiness continuously multiplied. And today there was one like puja, and everyone came to me, they tried to talk with me, they appreciate me. It was just so awesome, and I'm so happy, not only for the confirmation but also for that finally my practice is like making results or giving me the results. I'm so happy for that. And one more thing for the girls in this group, honestly, when you start to focus on the thing and when you are vibrating the right frequency, the beauty inside you that was already there, which we just forget to appreciate, suddenly will appear and it will burst. Actually, the same thing also happening for me. I have lots of pimple in my face, but still I feel so happy with them also. I feel so confident with them, and slowly they are just disappearing from my face, from my cheeks. Even I can proudly say that there is zero pimple in my skin. It's due to the practice, and suddenly I started to get an awesome glow that I never ever experienced in my entire life. So something magical is happening, and I'm so happy to manifest this confirmation letter also. And my parents are also so happy. Thank you so much, Jay. It's awesome, you know. Suddenly life started to flow, life started to actually become abundant. Thank you, and I love you all.